We learned this afternoon a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck off Russia's east coast. It prompted brief tsunami advisory in Alaska. No warnings or advisories for the U.S. west coast remain. We will bring in meteorologist now Matt Safino. And Matt, this comes, of course, less than 2 months after another major earthquake in Russia that did do a lot of warnings. Really
Same general area, but you know, it's part of the Ring of Fire. And boy, was there ever a list of aftershocks, like several in the 4 to 5 magnitude range, like a big list. So yeah, it's been active over there. And there's also a lot of volcanoes in that region too. So yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on it. Hopefully no tsunamis coming our way. Don't need that.
No.